Planning your next cruise vacation? Want to know the top tricks and tips? You're in luck! Today we're embarking on a journey of discovery, counting down the top 10 insider secrets for making your cruise experience absolutely unforgettable. From choosing your cabin, to packing smart, planning your itinerary, and even exploring the ship, we've got you covered. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. So, are you ready to dive into the world of cruising? Let's get started. Starting off at number 10, we have choose your cabin wisely. The cabin is your home away from home during your cruise, so making the right choice is crucial. When selecting your cabin, think about the location. Do you prefer a quiet spot, or do you want to be in the heart of the action? Next, consider the size. If you're traveling with family or friends, you may need more space. Solo travelers or couples might find a cozy cabin perfect. And of course, there's the price. Luxury suites with private balconies and stunning views are fantastic. But remember, budget-friendly cabins can be just as comfortable and convenient. Consider what's important to you, and choose a cabin that aligns with your priorities and budget. After all, the right cabin can truly enhance your cruise experience, providing a peaceful retreat after a day full of adventure. Remember, the right cabin can make or break your cruise experience. Coming in at number 9 is pack smart. Imagine this. You're on a breathtaking cruise, but you've forgotten your swimsuit or your favorite book. Oh no. To avoid such predicaments, take some time to create a checklist of essentials. First up, clothing. Keep in mind the destinations and the weather. Pack a mix of casual and formal wear, and don't forget your swimwear and comfortable walking shoes. Next, medications. If you have prescriptions, bring enough to last the entire trip and a little extra just in case. It's also wise to pack a small first aid kit with band-aids, pain relievers, and any other over-the-counter medications you may need. Finally, essential documents. These include your passport, cruise tickets, and any necessary visas. It's always a good idea to have photocopies of these, as well as digital copies stored in your email or cloud storage. Packing smart will save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. At number 8, we have plan your itinerary. A cruise is a smorgasbord of experiences waiting to be savored. It's like a buffet of activities, and much like a buffet, it's best to go in with a plan. You wouldn't want to fill up on bread before you get to the prime rib, would you? To make the most of your cruise, it's wise to plan your activities ahead of time. Research the ports of call, the excursions available, and the onboard activities. Prioritizing is key. Identify what matters most to you. Is it the onshore sightseeing, the onboard entertainment, or the culinary delights? Remember, the beauty of a cruise is that it offers something for everyone. So, whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or a thrill seeker, there's something for you on that ship. But remember, leave some room for spontaneity. A planned itinerary should be a guide, not a rulebook. A well-planned itinerary can help you make the most of your cruise. Number 7 on our list is budget carefully. Now, envisioning yourself on a luxurious cruise, basking in the sun, and sipping on a refreshing cocktail may seem like a dream come true. However, it's crucial to remember that dreams can quickly turn into nightmares if we forget to plan ahead financially. Setting a budget for your cruise is not merely about counting pennies. It's about ensuring that you can fully enjoy your vacation without worrying about overspending. Start by calculating the total cost of the cruise fare, travel insurance, and flights. Then add in the estimated costs for onboard expenses like dining, spa treatments, and shore excursions. Don't forget to set aside some funds for emergencies or unexpected expenses. And remember, sticking to your budget doesn't mean you can't have fun. It's about making smart choices that allow you to enjoy the experience without breaking the bank. Remember, a good budget is the key to a stress-free vacation. Coming in at number 6 is explore the ship. Now, it's not just about the destination, it's also about the journey. And what better way to enjoy the journey than to explore the floating city that's your cruise ship? Some of these ships are veritable wonderlands, boasting everything from art galleries and theaters to casinos and ice skating rinks. It's easy to get lost in the grandeur, but that's half the fun. Take the time to familiarize yourself with the layout of the ship. This will not only save you time navigating later, but will also reveal hidden gems you might have otherwise missed. From secret sun decks to cozy library corners, there's always something new to discover. Moreover, knowing where all the amenities are can make your trip more convenient. Need a midnight snack? You'll know just where to go. And let's not forget, exploring the ship can be a great way to meet fellow cruisers. Knowing your ship can greatly enhance your cruise experience. Number 5 on our list is take advantage of onboard activities. When you're out on the open ocean, the ship becomes your world. And in this world, a plethora of activities await you. Think of your cruise ship as a floating city, brimming with endless possibilities. You could challenge your intellect with trivia games, or awaken your inner artist at a painting class. Perhaps you'd prefer to dance the night away at a themed party. Or maybe you're more of a fitness enthusiast who would enjoy a sunrise yoga session or a high-energy aerobics class. Why not learn something new? Many cruises offer language classes, cooking demonstrations, and even photography workshops. The beauty of these onboard activities is that they not only keep you entertained, but they also offer opportunities to meet new people, learn new skills, and create unforgettable memories. Remember, onboard activities are there for your enjoyment. Make the most of them. Coming in at number 4 is be mindful of the crew. Now let's make this clear. A cruise ship is like a floating city, and the crew members are its backbone. They keep everything running smoothly, from ensuring your cabin is clean, to serving your meals, and even planning your entertainment. It's a tough job and they work incredibly hard. Respecting and appreciating the crew members is not just about basic human decency. It's also about enriching your own cruising experience. A simple thank you, a friendly smile, or a brief conversation can make a world of difference to someone who's been on their feet all day. Remember, they're not just staff, they're people. People with stories, families, and dreams. So, let's make their day a little brighter. And in turn, they'll go the extra mile to make your cruise unforgettable. A kind word or gesture goes a long way in enhancing your cruise experience. Number 3 on our list is eat wisely. Now, we all know how tempting it can be to indulge in the wide variety of mouth-watering dishes available on a cruise. It's like a round-the-clock buffet of international cuisine, right? But here's a tip. Eating wisely doesn't mean you have to miss out on all the fun. First, you can try new foods. Cruises are a great opportunity to explore and enjoy diverse culinary experiences. You might just discover your new favorite dish. Second, do remember that moderation is key. Yes, the food is delicious, and yes, it's all included, but overeating can make you feel sluggish and could potentially ruin your cruise experience. Think of it this way. You want to enjoy your meals, but you also want to enjoy everything else the cruise has to offer. So, balance is essential. Remember, a healthy diet is key to an enjoyable cruise. Coming in at number 2 is stay healthy and safe. Cruising is about fun and relaxation, but it's equally important to maintain good health and safety practices. You're in a different environment, so it's key to take care of yourself. First, hygiene is paramount. Washing hands regularly, especially before meals, can keep you from falling ill. Most cruise ships provide hand sanitizers at various spots, so make use of them. Next, don't forget sun protection. A lot of your time may be spent outdoors soaking up the sun, but remember, too much exposure can cause sunburn or heat stroke. Always have your sunblock, hat, and sunglasses handy. Staying hydrated is another crucial aspect. With all the activities and the heat, you might not realize how much water you're losing. Keep a water bottle with you and sip regularly. And lastly, don't skip meals or overindulge in alcoholic beverages. A balanced diet will keep you energized and healthy. Your health and safety should always be your top priority. And finally, at number 1, we have relax and enjoy. The essence of a cruise is not just about meticulous planning or perfect execution. It's about relaxation and enjoyment. It's about surrendering to the rhythm of the waves, feeling the sea breeze in your hair, and soaking in the stunning sunsets. Don't let minor hiccups rob you of this joy. So let go of those worries, embrace the unexpected, and immerse yourself in the experience. Remember, the goal of a cruise is to relax, unwind, and enjoy the journey. So, there you have it, the top 10 tips and tricks for cruising. We've explored everything from choosing your cabin wisely, packing smart, and planning your itinerary, to budgeting carefully, exploring the ship, and taking advantage of onboard activities. We've also reminded you to be mindful of the crew, eat wisely, stay healthy, and most importantly, relax and enjoy. We hope these tips help you have the best cruise vacation possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great tips.